Thoughts like, I did not study enough, I did not study hard, my preparation is not good, I'm not as good as compared to other students. Please stay away from these thoughts. Hey everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I'm Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinary student. So now some 5 to 6 days are remaining for the NEET exam. In this video, I'm going to tell you some 4 to 5 points that every NEET aspirant must know or rather should follow during the last 10 days of the preparation. So very quickly, starting with what I aim through this video is that I have been noticing that some of you are getting underconfident, they're getting anxious or fretting as the exam day approaches. Now, having some amount of this feeling is fine, it is normal. But if that is the only thing that is there in your mind, that is not normal, that is not fine. You need to stop it right now. I know that you have been preparing very well from the last 2 to 3 years. If not so well, then at least say decently well, okay? But having the right frame of mind, even at this point, can drastically improve your rank. Trust me. So what your mind needs right now is confidence. How do you get that confidence, which is so crucial for your mind right now? That is through revisions. Now, I know this is not something that you're hearing for the first time. You must be sticking to your timetable at this point of time. You must be having a timetable for each and every day till the last day, right? And in that time, revision is the most major and the most important one. Okay, by revising, you are kind of getting your mind into the momentum of absorbing things quickly, of retaining it, and not just that, but actually giving the answers in a quick time whenever it is needed. Okay, so this is the importance of revision, of getting into the right track of mind, which is very, very important for you. And while revising, it has to be with full concentration and not with half-hearted concentration. Okay, now coming to the second thing, which is the mock test. Now you can choose to give it or can choose not to give it depending upon your preparation. If your preparation is really good, you can choose to give it, but not too many of it. But if your preparation is not so good as per you, I would suggest you to refrain from it. Why? Because while giving the mock test, first you're putting in your 2.5 hours of your preparation. Okay, I'm not saying 3 hours, because mock test you shouldn't be aiming for 3 hours, 2.5 hours. So first 2.5 hours, then analyzing the test, the areas that were new to you or that needed more revision. Another, you would invest your 2 hours into it. So it's round about 4.5 hours you are giving into that mock test. So in that time, rather you can revise more or do more things which you have planned already. The second thing is that for some students it does not work very well because of the score. If the score is still coming low in the last 1 week, so it might not be the best thing for you, because your confidence won't be at the level it should be. So just kind of stay away from it. This is what I suggest, but ultimately obviously it depends on you whether you want to give it or not. Third, being in the right frame of mind. I cannot stress on this point enough, but it is so important for you right now. Thoughts like, I did not study enough, I did not study hard, my preparation is not good, I'm not as good as compared to other students. Please stay away from these thoughts as much as you can, please. Because even if your preparation is good, in actuality, contrary to what your mind believes, and you're still dwelling into these things, into the past regrets, no wonder your performance during the exam won't be good. Whereas on the other hand, if there's a student who has covered only 70%, suppose, of their course, and still they have the confidence that yes, my preparation is good, what I've studied is there in my mind, and whenever I need it, it can be recalled on time, and even if I'm reading new things, new topics, I'm able to absorb it well, and it is retaining and it is kind of collaborating what is there in my head. If that is the right mindset you have, no wonder you are going to score really, really well. If you are with your mind right now, your mind will be with you during the exam. Believe in this thing. While doing the exam, you will give your 100%, and that is what matters the most. During the exam, having the right frame of mind, or even like 1 to 2 days or even last 1 week, having the right frame of mind is so important. And कुछ students तो अब इस time ये सोच रहे हैं कि क्या उन्हें drop लेना चाहिए कि नहीं, जब exam को just 6-7 दिन रह गए हैं. Please listen, I completely understand your situation, but इस time पे आपके mind में thought बिल्कुल भी नहीं आना चाहिए. Okay, you have given your time, you're thinking your efforts into for this exam from the past, some years or months, whatever the thing is. But is this just a matter of some 6-7 days? Pull up your socks, be confident, don't put yourself into that weak spot that you cannot take that pressure, that you cannot push yourself any longer, and you will put yourself in a vulnerable situation when all these thoughts will come. They will affect you, they will affect your performance. Please don't do that to yourself right now. This is not the right time to do all those things. This is not the right time to think of all that. This time pe just focus on your revision, just focus on your work that you are assigned to do. Study because you want to do it, not because you have some pressure. Study because you have to do it, you're willing to do it, because you have your dreams and aspirations attached to it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you next time. If you haven't subscribed to Vet Visit, then yes, please do. If you haven't followed the Instagram page of Vet Visit and Facebook page as well by the name Vet Visit, then follow that as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do.